A Gartner Executive Partner is equivalent to an Olympic coach. You're already at the top of your game, but you still need help. You still need a confidant. You still need encouragement and development.
The benefit of having an executive partner is you're with them on the entire journey. It allows you to contextualize all the insights to make a real difference.
It's oftentimes being very deliberate about listening and understanding, really getting at the root of what's really in play, and then trying to figure out what they need.
It's kind of our superpower to have analysts be able to come in and support our conversations. We might be working on an AI strategy. It gives us an opportunity to bring in those experts at just the right time to really accelerate those critical parts of your strategy and where you're trying to drive those business results.
I speak with clients about data analytics and AI.
I specialize in cyber risk, cybersecurity leadership, and optimizing their cybersecurity programs.
I'm part of a team called the AI Business Value Team, where we focus on covering AI as a tech, but more importantly, how it delivers value to enterprises.
Be able to take the massive Gartner toolbox of toolkits and research and analyst partners and other EP partners to help them solve these problems.
We have something north of 2,500 business and technology insights experts, and they come to the table with the right stuff. And I can be the conduit for a CIO to speak to one of those analysts.
We also would say that probably only 6 to 8% of what our analysts know is on paper. So the time they invest with their analysts is really invaluable.
Having the analyst at your beck and call, if you will, it's reassuring, right? You can gut check what you have and what you're doing and change courses if you need to.
They can validate strategy, they can validate execution plans. There is no other company in the world that has the level of depth and experience that our Gartner analysts bring to the conversation.